Hey everyone, here with a quick video on how to replace the battery in your Mazda Smart Key. Start by taking out the physical key, and I'm going to use this plastic pry tool. Just start on each side here and get these clips loosened up. Let's do the same thing on the other side now. I'm going to try to go in here with this and lift this up. There we go, just like that. To remove this plastic cover, just get a fingernail under it, and pull. There's our CR 2025 battery. Taking your new one, just drop that in. It won't sit tight, but that's what this top cap is for. Let's just press that down evenly. Starting at the back here, or at the end. Line that up, give it a squeeze, and then evenly push the sides in. And we're done. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.